me down. Their aim is to pull themselves down, not me. They start their videos in a minute narrative each. Now on to lock or hame call gallows. But the one thing I know one, if I'm no emitter no you just see we be. Bob in a pony and when you form me normal. If only na malo, if you to bury a good and a baby belief, for ya no na acquire no call joya. Karma is real. Oh, Melon is argument on one. It's a matter of time. Stop. So, actually, you go back, tell the actual more, and here you can go on social media when everything one of this social media could be.
Exactly.
Na social media could be. So, when the yarn is so, na social media can we be jaya. This year basalo na mo scam.
Mommy, hold on, mommy. Because moderators, please, any hate comment or interruption, because mute the person on the comment section until the program is over. Because thank you very much. Continue, ma.
Okay. Like I said, on social media here, somebody call them out. Yes. Now malu nyong nemelo ntaimeri moroko. Which is Chibiko KK Play Wells. Mapodu ya fanisi. Until let me call it last year. All these things Sibido Kwanoro. That a lady, but Mwazi. Last year, August. None of my house, 1 month. Gone on my house before next year, September. Yes, you're not at my house for 1 month. Gone. With Omo Yanachi, but they have Poromo Mazi. Mana before, I bought Omazi and Webebo Mazi and Ononicha. Yes, Webebo Mazi and Ononicha. Hananke, one woman Ononicha. So, Mano, Yendo column or two Esama 3 to Omoya. Na the person no Ohapolo Mazi, I didn't know Moyanya. Na aji mekwa ya nka na-eme ihe nke ọzọ ihe ọkọrọ uhiri nne dị woman merie otu esigo anị otu osigoro the woman sigoro ya anị tọ na the woman egosiri ya pepa anị ihe ọkọrọ about the woman no ji wee send nwa the woman Germany all those things ọkọcha bụ ihe metụ m n'obi nwe si oke na nsogbu adịrọ you can bring those children ka mụ na ha nọrọ ebe ọ bụ na ya nata this year 2026 January, July, Biaporo Mahazi. So, we potalo Mahazi, Nataga on each, Agapoto Maza, Ebehano on each. We potalum those children. No risk you can take because when you know, man, because of me, Papa, Mahazi, one abolo, one no, without a miracle police matter about it. Because if Anna corner, could you open the year, Mahazi in my house? Ebe ọ bụ na ekwe God root ọ bụkwa nna onwere enyi nwa na nwata nke ha na-aya alụ na-eti ọ bụkwa na onwe ife mere ihe ka ihe mma na-akọ aya sị na ọmụ gburu ọ na mụ ji wee gwọrọ ọgwụ ego but I thank God na Chineke save m na ọ bụla onwere ihe mere ụmụazị na ọ bịakwa kpọrọ ụmụazị otu o si hapụ ha. So last year August ka this lady kpọtara m ụmụazị nọ na be m 1 month wee kpọchi ya nachi ya back to America na September. So mụ na ụmụazị anọrọ. So anyị na-ebikwa anyị nwere nsogbu ọbụla anyị na-akpakwa and that day mgbe ọ bịa na be m ị gaa na page ma ị gaa down my page ị ga-afụ ihe o bupụtara m.
Antonio, Biko, mute for the comment section now. I don't like what I'm seeing here, please. Mute it.
I want you on the mute video.
Racing happen. Whilst we wait for Oge to come, Abada, I'm so glad that you're here to clarify this.
Good evening.
Good evening, Wanyoma. I'm okay. I'm so happy because they went a lot of narrative. Even when I heard the things in Meren, you see racing, yeah. One of the reasons they call me repeatedly here. One of the reasons in July racing was his consistency with your case. Or one of the reasons he carried your case personally. He was consistent. He was respectful to you. And oh, a good thing that you came here to address this. When I heard this thing, To be honest, I will not lie to you. I judged from the wrong, I will not say the wrong side, but from one side, which a lot of people did. So it's a very good thing, maybe right here, to clarify. So people like us, myself included, garner from you and counterbalance here. Yes. So I really commend you for the effort and for coming out here this night and for respecting Oge enough to choose her platform. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you too. Manaria, God bless you.
Oh, sorry, my dear. Proceed.
Okay. So, I want to know, and hide again because now that's called Patalamomazia, not she back to America. Until the Monomazia no low. Umazia and Bopataromazia, one is 3 years, while the other one is 5 years. Very small. So, Monomazia no maybe. To the extent the before Mazia, even man at school, where Behanago. Olama and the mother noble, no one mother potalum. And me kuno mokaha. You man believe in Obra Mazia and Efomona. Even Banabam Sagas, no wow, the Momota, Mokos, Omotalo, the Momo, Aji, and KJ maybe to soy no Igbo. No, and I can name on and take one way also the Momota. I did not come, I did not say anything, borrow because I'm an Yannick wanting of you that.
Because on your block comment section. Who did that? On your block comment section, on the people's expression of comment. Why did you take it off? You see why I said I will remove it? You know what? Let me remove every single bitches here. On your turn off my comment section.
They should leave it. Put it back on.
I said leave the comment section. Let people comment. I said leave it. Let people comment. Don't block the comment section. Allow people say their views. Allow people air their views. There is nothing.
So until the Monaham here, the lady will have more mazi. I could go on my live stream where in your work call them out. But in chalk and queen, I can't wait one day money to name the main thing now. Until this take your WhatsApp, oh, we forward again WhatsApp, we can get a link, we go through it.
Okay.
So, Rapolo more mazi na walo. So, mono mazi nolo. I need be of no problem. I need below one, I only one solo. Omecha only one my sister and about Joski. Because ma she can take the other line. Come what the girl lady and let's see the and join a live
stream. She can join exactly on him sorry. Well allow her to join.
The girl let's see the yes. She can take the other phone.
Because everyone is subscribed, you can't join me. Go and subscribe to my channel. Ona when na roala. Akabogana you. If I can discuss important matters, go and subscribe. You're not tapping.
Campo the girl, let's see it, Diana. Go join our life because
they are very important.
People, very important. Because he ain't the marinate, but money you have no meeting or GC we pray. Come send go to me a message now. Come buy a direct call. Actually, come wear their TikTok and I call join our life. So, just I'm not gonna name this thing, but I need to do it.
Yeah, when see how it says, yeah,
Bambambo, well, until gay, Imana, and it was not what I could be.
To buy airtime or star 9 to buy from your bank.
Let me call again. Let me use my other line.
Okwu karịrị o. Okwu karịrị okwu social media. Ọkwa ka ọ dị na reality o.
Charlie, go on, tell you, you never know what you're doing.
Ana m ewe iwe. Enwere m time. Ebe m nọ.
Charlie, go on, them tea and I may so up.
Share the program, tag to your friends. And then know another version. What I go? You know another version. Another version.
Because Queen, because big mouth or because
big mouth subscribe wala.
Big mouth
Big mouth subscribe wala. Even my listen, I subscribe for you not down. Level has changed.
The new sheriff in town. The biggest sheriff in town. Okalisa Kalesia.
Until get you Belaye Belen. Mizelaye Belay Wabuma school. I must subscribe. I'll do that tomorrow.
When you subscribe, boy, everyone you know go hotel Jeporia. Oracle, I don't know what I have got on a bomb to 40,000. Imagine what you have. Never come back to that school again. Imagine
the young lady, Chinemerem, also want to join the live stream. She's also free to join the live stream, please.
Of course. She can.
Yeah, an unbiased, please.
Very unbiased.
She can if she wants.
She can equally, you guys can send it to her, equally ask her to join. What I go? Because it's very important. This platform is an open place for everyone.
Mommy, but the number na pick, you can continue.
Okay. So, one lady about Joski, Ndibe Obidi Igbo, the Enugu State, Amahama, is a family at the back of Crunches in Enugu State. Is a loyal family.
I know the family. I know them.
God bless you. That is their daughter, one of their daughter, Joski. Only Anna Waga Wokobele, the girl which are properties, Enugu and Lagos State. Mana one year why be a cancer one last year. Abone my family, and only one of their daughter last year. Okay. Either this year, yes, this year, February. The lady had cancer. So cancer be a metota, the elders, this her sister, their small sister, Joski, Obidi Mahama, very mighty family at the back of Crunches. So the girl work mommy about that because no properties actually in Enugu. Now for no 1 year why their teacher here and the berry now no need the those properties where they 1 year one, where 1 year one, see okay. Now with somebody Enugu, which is one girl and Sylvia Ada and this Chinemelo. So Sylvia Ada based in Enugu there. Sylvia Ada same that na there na hey mommy about no ya so ya ko body na there na try no ya so. And this and mind you know estate land.
Okay.
Is estate land, is not individual. Yeah, estate land. Well estate land mama. Open the girl never got borrow after the estate. So ngwa this Chinemelo this girl got more mazi. I say mommy don't tell anybody again. I will buy. You see, hold on. Let me add Chinemelo, this girl on a call. Everything na one until you ma forward already.
Okay.
But one of the girl, young one, Chinemelo and Chinemelo, Mo and just 3 of us we work conference call. Already Chinemelo maka on my storage Joski. Otu 1 year one is to well. Even one akwa the also support to the girl one akwa 1 year one. So also just that I should not tell anybody about the land. The land is how much? Just give the land is 5 million naira. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, 5 million naira or 5.5 million naira. So also no a baker just when I now on MNM in Enugu State. You see, okay, Magaje for Diana, or say mommy no, that I don't need to go, that she was born and brought up in Enugu State. No ma MNM very well. We see okay, for trust's sake. Name and just give the whole money. Now you half. Also, the 0 pepper Diana. Everything on my care, bam, I balance.
Okay.
Just see mommy, no problem. Mommy, that trust me, no problem. Or the girl half. First money we buzz that girl 3 million naira. Just to send the album papers. And to get you can now fly on our WhatsApp and use.
Blessed Rose, na boss lady no you no subscriber.
Apple boss lady don't got subscribe.
Okay.
Blessed
Rose is subscribe go.
Mommy, just continue. Emezi send their evidence to.
No, you're not send it so that I will be confirming it.
Send to her.
Direct. Confirm it. Yeah.
The WhatsApp made send there. I can't general life for. Except me, mom, poor Jamie, Chiata.
And but poor me, I got Chiata. Because all of them cannot correspond to any Maduneku. People know how to get Chiata.
Unya, to us. They can forward organ on WhatsApp.
Yes, because yeah. Just he's for dog button. Guys subscribe here.
Guys subscribe bono.
Boss lady I'm a boy that come from
until the cake I subscribe.
Don't worry, I will subscribe because the case has
Okay. Oh yeah, elder subscribe go kwa.
Elder Choreba go take
I'm sure no. Yeah, elder Choreba go to subscribe go.
Subscription.
And you subscribe you
go. Omori Kinshi are super fans. But you got who they play, you got who they this thing, you got who monthly payment. Just Gadelu eba he ho again no. Who no can have say love. Tinye ya ring give
Get your ring.
Click on that.
Okay.
Click on it. Eba the love.
Okay.
Ring no tinye something one.
Ebe the love, okay? Bring it. Check what I'm taking. Then eba your okay. I forgot me.
Follow the eba the link nelo. I want to then chat.
Click go me okay.
Subscribe from there. You follow the reading. Subscribe to become a member. Or you are out.
I'm a member already.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I subscribe. Go come. Oh my, go for good though.
Good. You are not a member. Oh. Rest and subscribe. Well, I'm going to go. Subscribe. You will let that see me on here. Go and subscribe.
Boss, let me join now. Oh, welcome.
My sister.
I know the nobody na gaga now.
I know the nobody na gaga. I think you know what
I will subscribe. Relax the way Megan. You're shaking.
Me no ni awon yansu.
Asheriya.
Okay, jale.
But send the many things. I need to put name. Evidence in our town. Evidence in our town.
Igan and your sister, he went a 40 viewer, but in any hand about almost 500,000 more than. How many people now watch? Igan and your sister, came here or to Google more than 40. I'm not there.
No, one mother. When you want to
well,
that person. What your money? Oh, yeah, I could direct a name at accused, not as you. Oh, yeah. Oh,
honestly.
Evidence in our town. Can somebody say evidence in our town?
Evidence in our town. I love your
evidence the choke. Evidence the choke. It choke.
Guys, subscribe one here. The fisherman on here, go and subscribe there.
Na amakwa m ihe nna apịa apịa ebe ama m na dị na subscribe bụ ama ghọta ha.
Kọwara na ya ka ọ ghọta ọ ga-edo ya n'anya.
Ghọta biko ewe n'iwe na ụmụ onye ọfụ a ghọta m ihe nna apịa ebe.
Don't come up here wouldn't they subscribe.
Blessed Rose, when any payment they take, you all they take any payment, man or gabe now. But the payment got through, you know that all go.
Or from my account, from my TikTok account.
Yes, only with a TikTok account, only with however you set up your payment.
Except if them up payment, I'm at the major.
Kabaru, what I got the first. I just said I'm general meeting and I call who are now or could you over here?
Okay, no problem.
Evidence in our town. Oh, give me the name. Chichi, subscribe, go.
Good evening. I think I go wara maka ihe ha na-send will hurt me. Subscription unu ga na profile ya. Unu ga here o setiri ya up $10 ka ọ pụtara. Then you click here ya gị kwụ ụgwọ ya gwa gị na ịwụọla membership. Oh, member that hurt me wo. It's just like you member of the club. But subscription is subscription monthly ga na subscribe.
Oh, that's a contributor. Oh, that's a wallet contributor.
Every month, the subscription on our last 1 month. So you go na profile, eba picture ya, di click here, click eba here, get super fan, eba nki ge meto aka, ge hold the amount, then you subscribe. When you can subscribe for 3 months, 2 months, it depends. 1 month.
Exactly.
I you send eba will hurt me. Or subscription. You subscribe, okay, go to one at the screen, see. So person have just subscribed.
4 subscribers, elder no there. Lola subscribe go. Lola subscribe go. And then somebody else. But only the culture only the first subscriber. Only subscriber since. Elder subscribe go. Love Anthony no one here. Enwere ihe mere.
Love Anthony subscribe wala.
Love Anthony.
Itinye anya aka n'akwụkwọ n'elu.
Onwe ihe ọzọ ị ga-eme ntị oge ọwụ na ịchọ ka subscribe waya so maybe after this one hapụgodi. Maybe you guys get interesting gist like Ota Abada Biara now. Give a tieba hand the comment, give the subscribers only. Okay, many people because one of the people difficult to catch up with that subscription. You understand? Give the subscribers only. Ogulandega comment.
Comment, okay.
So yeah.
Na bam come deal with them.
Antoge,
he said I am the evidence in our water. Go ahead.
The girl, you have to channel the seat of payment. Yes, and check on the seat. You need to put the girl over.
Yes, the first one 3 million.
Yeah, yes. Yes. Yes, and me channel have net with the send the TikTok, WhatsApp, and select. Malum. Me chamme nyegi things need so
okay
where I say that na the girl go man knows kana the wealthy family that's in the obi the Igbo n'Enugu State ama the family ama so see okay because of trust nne biko na before anez nye balance ni send them paper na all those papers ya photos me we biro so those papers ana so over for them papers ana we balance etu akosi forward ya paper. You go to one and you go 1 in October, go 1 in January from the same girl. Because of one, you have to post a 1 year one. That's why they will post a 1 year one follow. If you say the family too, a bit Igbo. So, near only 1 October, lay the second one in January. I sent Chagongo Madiana, everything. So, I make a call her. Conference call or block one year at Mopanazo Joski.
The survey, no, he will make the survey.
The survey, yes, everything. I found everything.
Yeah, I don't know. I can make a survey. No, yeah, okay.
So, onye mo send down paper the land, when you balance. And here I broke ye man, as I broke on I just keep and as not conference call 3 or 4 now on a call. The girl I need punantia on ano. Because I'm like you have a name, and I'm this straightforward and to get like something like this, pota. So I told you after Kaokucharogan, I told him pepper, no rose with me. You did the pepper. To answer said the other now. You have to see me way remember. Go see. So,
each of us can go share, make go share. I got your home just so happy, and it's up to you.
Until they for your own consumption, oh, today I'm going to go see an idea.
Okay.
So, Antioge, so after the girl balance, the girl send them those papers of those land. Remember now, Guamiakangafu, or sim no, the place very well. That she was born and brought up in Enugu. That should not bother myself. I'm forward to call the voice notes.
Yes.
So after the I made the thing got fair. One of these girls now got low wine. After na February, I forward all more picture a guy. Or blue play with. Or say now the guy will content creator that the guy wants to marry her. Muke can still wait for the guy. You see, the guy is okay. Now the okay. Now one like I got one nilu. Because I but you know, you must say I am no, each in no yan or the dog come on at a clock on. Instead of so bad, you may bone Gawanilu, or sim okay. Mamma more like you, the guy, son of the guy, do okay. To one no go on love you, but no love you, Gawan Nilu. Until Gia can Mizumba can a bomb saga. And a bomb saga and a bomb bar. But they are call them out with Omoya, that na Momoya Womudimo Motala. No Mudimo Mota, why was on Mota. I was expecting her. You know, come on, I did the bomb. See, nobody should call my children name or something like that. She did not do it. Boy, I see, Keke say, a Jomoge, Abakum Saga, no Mudim Motani Kuloku. Or be feel real bad. The thing be away me because that's a man I may expect, you know, I say, Madu ya no Muge, no, as family. Now, reaction, yeah, I do okay. The next thing I'm talking, this lady had a possible to up on the phone. Boy, I say, and was him, or say more. Don't worry now, come over and I'm outside work. No one ever got outside work. On America's never a stone, a bit snow nada. That place will be snow nada, never an who war for ma. Yes.
Nebraska.
Eba, a bit stone nada, so the nurse na bossy jeba. Also, no about culture, they do not read your law weba. Never an quiz wogo, and all about 6 months, Munewa, or 2 a day. Mana before then and told you January only mona dim na newe. As my daughter patara as in kata. And told you don't want my father call aina contract on me. Everything conference call. The girl wouldn't I did not beg. The girl volunteered on her own. And nega my family because we twist well for ya. Going forward or yes, I'm forward the palo again. O to esi way forward the obo kwanu onye mi ono kata like this of 2 million ono kata like this of 3 million and ole eje kwam the seat and to check and forward the hold on
yeah because
forward go to support payment ana man.
Hello, what's going on?
Biko ndana ekuna invite the other party. Out from Kono manner that Ogechi did not invite Abada here. Abada came here on her own to speak to Ogechi. Now, if you so much love Chinemerem so much, go and tell her to also request to Ogechi that she may also come here to air her own opinion and also send her own proof to her. Abada, you are muted at Ogechi.
How should not Abada invite?
No, they are saying that you should also invite the other person. Or give me the invite.
No. But that came on her own.
But that came on her own. She said she wanted to speak to her.
Exactly.
So if she wanted to also value Ogechi, she let her also come here and also bring her own evidence.
No. My brother, don't say like that, like she's not valid as well. Any of my admin or whatever can also reach out to her if she still wanna come. She will still come. There is no problem. Maybe more better on her own. Somebody else can also invite her. The place is open.
I told you to check your WhatsApp.
Okay, my
Okay, photos where send them.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, of course, I'm going to send them picture.
This voice note, Ijia. This voice note.
I'm forward. I'm going to forward all the voice note not there.
Okay.
I just screenshot, so yeah.
Okay.
So careful.
Of course, send there bit by bit. Okay, 2 million.
And no receipt, oh. No receipt.
Okay.
Okay, photo say yes. Photo. Just that's engineer here.
Okay. See.
So, on a send you na support. So until I video say na walulu onwe na atọ mana nsogbu mụ na na bido na this when we meet this boy. Notice na all akpọzi mụ akpọ ya si don worry na mụ mana ebe ọ gara outside work ama ndizi otu anyị akpa before.
No, abadala baby kwushiri mgbe ị kọrọ ya about ụlọ gị na di gị na-arụ.
Yes. Mgbe batazi na the matter. Si na ya support. Yes. So, obidozi na-enye mega to the extent anyị na contact forward check a screenshot. If you call money na abuza with the contractor. Ọ na-agwa contractor otu ụlọ ga-adị everything, even with the whole face of the house. Yeah, we jack forward do everything. Every down thing until okay.
Mommy Abada,
so,
forward everything to her. You have to just call after the live stream, forward all your evidence to her.
Let me be honest. Abada na akọrọ without evidence. On Adam aja. It's better she forward evidence. I will see. Because then no mecha say, who am I gonna come and relate it with? So I'll be looking at everything that she's forwarding to me, or she has already forwarded to me. So I can go forward to Oromuya. Confirm okay, okay. So people will understand that so you call me any day, anytime, Marshall, yes. This is what I saw, and this is it. So even as she I met I want to call in the
so bad. There's no problem.
No so bad.
Thank you. I'm happy now in my life now for this day going in so that when you have an actual their own side of the story, they can come up. This platform is for everybody.
Everyone.
You can come up and say what you want to say.
Chika, excuse me, Chika. Daji fake account, but I shall comment rubbish.
Forget to go to the comment section. Racing.
When I don't get you moderator. I'm one national balia.
Why are you interested in comment section? Let people comment.
Thank you, Chika.
I am not even watching. I'm not listening to what people say in the comment section.
What you're rendering out there? Forget in the comment section. That means you got to BBC Igbo. You got to BBC Igbo. That means you want to collapse about. I'm going BBC Igbo. Wamusu. In fact, the governor and then I got the interview. In back, I got matter no one with part 2.
Just have a comment section. Comment section is a place where people air their views. They will say how they feel. People write what they think is happening. And from the look of things, in Singoba, a little comment section, I've not really seen.
Lola, subscribe, Lola.
She has subscribed. Don't subscribe, go. Oh, just Mwa, I am one elder and one other person. Them Lolo since as my fellow subscriber. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Because racing, because come more down. Okay, I weak what I hear name, because. Oh my God, you come to Bago Teba. Just come more down.
Can you extend it? You to get here 45. You get here 5.
Enwebe nyere m option for numbers.
Ọ dị ebe ahụ.
Enwebe nyere ịma ị na-akọwakwara m ihe gaa na-akọwachiri m ya ọfụ enwebe m nwere option for numbers.
Akọwazikwara m gị ọfụma ịbịala ivo m ya na.
Na aga m ego gị kọwachiri m ya ọfụma biko. Onye zuru toolu onwe ya.
Racing, before you go na boss again, guys subscribe or because you give to racing, come on a comment section. If I on a comment section, you're not subscribe with. Give back to your comment on a comment section.
I
come more than because I may have you may but because come more than lady because just yes, energy moderator give you training in the
Queen of capacity. Every mother we have high home. Him, I
wait, look over here. I want you to look over here for now because this is serious business.
You are here for class.
Okay, Ramsen.
Please, let's be mature here.
Ramsen, Madoleki ge motu, Madoleki ga block.
Comment section of people get
allow Abaka to tell her story. Allow her to tell her story because Abaka up. You were not there. Let's hear her own part of the story.
Comment section will play a role her play. Mahapuru negative, Mahapuru positive.
Yes.
Lively. Visibility. Don't forget visibility as well. So everything I make we here for this platform.
Yeah, Abada Kucha po your saga bawa word because but for now let's hear her.
Allow people to hear. You can be like this, same or
you make us say what Cabilonia fish seller. You make us say Cabilonia fish seller.
Wait, Dumaga says she has subscribed. Dumaga, your subscription is not showing, and it's not £9 now.
I thought they keep in the comment section because listen to what she's saying first. People should not be quick to comment, pay this one, do this one. Go do nothing.
Yes.
Someone is trying to narrate something. Let's calm down. People know.
Conference call. Yeah, for people who are the 3 calls, join calls. Yeah, join call.
Yeah, I want to be a group call, 3 invited. Yeah, 3 call. Invited. Yeah.
Now, on Sunday, I share them link here. I want to send them the house on my WhatsApp. Just in a TikTok.
But Dale, I feel all these voice notes are very important for me to hear. I have my reasons. You know, these voice notes on Sandra is very, very important because you always send the voice note, leave a message. There is a message behind those voice notes.
Oh, yeah, and so the for we because one thing of Mwa Wabadawana, and I don't make a disappearing message in a phone.
Yeah, because
just disappearing message. I don't
because only I send the Aramo those voice. So
my email and WhatsApp so far no WhatsApp everything down on my phone or that pop. Everything on my phone. So until the my phone they get all the voice note from the beginning. You know those are neg. So that money and video say
discuss what about the house. Yeah.
So I back I bello. So because they now support. Omecha I name me I man your money name now. I got no idea about Christmas. Oto yes we remember for the child every voice note. So I na bazi and the house na gakwa na forward ori me gosikwa gya nwa ma ye nneko. So omecha owaze maka this guy o meetri si no choro eno ya. Okay, can see for the guy. Send the guy the mono tower. You have to check yes and the guy from for the pictures of the guy. It's just that the picture the money you for even use the pictures where they apply here something. Yes. So send us what draw na hapa wazi. So ma kana bam saga. Asina mo no mo ya wo mo my husband the motaloni lo. No, almost the motaloni. So I was expecting her to do something. Only you only me. Buy and kitty. Money and abo, when the Abuja 27 April, money and abo za call, he were for power. Money and abo za call, that call, after we play my life in jail because I'm not no screen record or Nina. After come at a play with school, the screen record what my call. Money and abo na bank at Amarona, No go something naga. I don't know. So bia notice that na oda was motor sa bombia boy sim no do business mo man up outside work. No na tent ya. That no me akpọ motor sa akpọ before no up outside no na 24 hours. You see okay? And so ga I know one day this lady pop on my phone. See mo no na anata na me. If you akpọ ụmụ azan see me it's in this no July. Or see do no abata na me. The American government tamper with something don't worry your body so no na anata na me. Okporo ụmụ azia isi oke na nsogbu adịrọ. Anyị na-agakwa this saga na-agakwa on. Anyị na-agakwa mmekọtakwa akwụkwọ na
you guys power tap una power tap ka anyị dị too poor biko ka anyị dị visible na power tap no na na power tap una na ashia biko
nnapụtakwa akpọ m ya sometimes ya nwa akpọ m ike ọkpọ man no with my phone mana mpụtakwa for miss call ya I will return the call otu aka mụ na ya na-abụ si aga and oge ya ka na-apụta na me anọ na my house okay ọsị m okay emekata mkpọ ya 3 days mụ na ya na-abịa ekwulọ 3 days mụ na ya ekwulọ so nsị ya afọ a na ya natago ọsị m na ọbatago nọ n'ụzọ abịa oyo nsị ya isi nọ n'ụzọ abịa ka ebe isi wee abịa is fright abịa na my husband anọkwa around ka mma na ọmụnwa ya bịa bute gị ka iji ụgbọala wee abịa ọ tụpọziri m ọnụ ọ reply ya ọzọ m the next thing will pay na gate m because normally mụnwa wụ na iwu be m wụ na ịbịawa kpọrọ m na phone na be m ekwugide aka ike bụ gị pụọ o nwere ihe mere anata na emepere gị gate before ị bịa na my house you must call me so ọ bịa na gate a na-egbu ha ọnụ na gate pe atụpụrụ m ọnụ pe atụpụrụ m ọnụ the next time my WhatsApp ring ya mpe ike ọ bụrụ ya nwa sị m nọ na gate mụ mepere ya gate and oge behold emepe m gate ọ bụrụ Highlander onye mfọ na da Highlander wụ playwheel ka m fụ ya nwa nọ n'azụ moto playwheel nọ n'iru moto with mama m nọ driver bụ the Highlander bata na my house ya bata inside my compound olituo gotere ụmụ m even o gotechara ụmụ m akwa gotere ha chu gotekwara m laptọpụ ka ọ na-abata nke ọ na-abata even ọ playwheel ji aka ya bupụte the laptọpụ bụ im na my house ọ bata mọmi nọ na-anakwa m gwa ụmụazị arụ ka ọ kpọrọ ha nsị hey ọdụwa ọsịsọ ọ bụrụzi nke at least na onye nọ ịhapụrụ ụmụazị a na-eme na expect ka ọ lalụ n'ide ọsị mba na ha na-apụ kịta na m gwa ụmụazị arụ mkpọrọ ụmụazị kpọba na bedroom wụọ ha arụ ibefe akwa ọsị oke ka ha pụọ nsị ya ngwa na akwa ụmụazị akwa sị mba mọmi they are coming back just go select ya just few things nweba n'ime ụlọ jee weta akwụkwọ a na ndị agha ego oriwe nji pepa ya nchịta the papers chi ya playwheel n'aka ya playwheel gaa through the paper si na ọdụkwanshon na adụjeni nka mana mụdọ nwere ọ bụ na elu Enugu ka ọ kpọọ ndị minista of land na Enugu ka ha confirm ọsara nsogbu adịrọ na onye lesiri ana wee nye Enugu na ịchọ na mma akpọ dị gị ọ nata ọ na-afọ ojegosi unu the place ọsọke na nsogbu adịrọ nne nwa alụ ọkpọrọ ụmụazị pick a few of their just few akwa ọchị elu 5 because us they are coming back even that day ụmụazị na-ebe akwa edi akwa ebere that day na my house na aya eso mma ha akwa ebegidoro akwa baa moto na-ebe akwa na-alafu these children o wee kpọrọ ụmụazị a ya na playwheel nawa mụnwa wee nọrọkwa na be m kpọọ daa gị elulesi ha na Uju ọbịa na Uju Obidigbo ama ha ama n'Enugu steeti ndị be Obidigbo at the back of crunches nwekpọ dị gị ọ na fon si ya biko nne
ngwa Doris ike gbadazie now Doris ike gbadazie nne ịnọjuole mgbe ọ nọ na fon ọ nọ na kọl
mana arịa ihe nji wee chọọ ime ya ahụ na ịma na
he's not even a community member na one for you people ordinary people send one hand kekwanụ moderator na-ebugotekwa na
amaghị ha the desperate na-send their request shamelessly
so don't bring anybody up here for moderator
subscribe ọrụ iji agbagote n'elu
ha akwala ha repeatedly ha ka na-esend the request gịnị ka ha bịara ya ịjụ abadafọ
ordinary heart meat they are not even standing there.
So the other day, Mazi, we checked the boy. I said, the land, the notorious pepper land, there are those peppers in forward now. I said, no, other genuine, K1. So, when I saw the when you see her there now I have to see her because the lady based the Lagos. The girl said, so what the number higher quality over flight through and through. No, I am not. You go see her there. I said, okay, now higher quality over flight. I followed the girl over flight. The girl went toward down. Then go state with the barrister. You will go see her there now. Go see her there now. The boy, if you Diana, I will Nana do genuine. Unlike yours, Nana had drop a genuine. Or what for Diana do you know? So, yeah, the girl only puts Nana, not like was a body. Not like Reba Diana. So, the girl will sit on Valia with the barrister because young barrister, that the girl, that she was play with 5 of them got an office. So, the girl was not like your cousin Diana, Diana. The girl was here, the girl with Diana was here. And I said, they like an aqua gave an idea. I'm going to now of estate. No, let me go one of lift. Let me go one of lift. You see, no problem. Now, one everything in the beginning, this is not individual land, not estate property. Which name for pepper? For one year now, where one guinea is near like okay, what would you like? There and no new pepper. You win did it because all you get over number and meet is in the land. You win did it. Ntopazi ego give back. Now, this is because of my sister. Cancer. My sister was cancer. So I need money. Can work on my sister. Whenever when you like it, because you move mommy out of this. Can you make zero give you balance yagi or nyam time. Come on, you can give back. Uru and I'm back. Mana and the match of the delay. Or simba no like Claudia, no need the ego. Hana the girl, make her finalize. The girl will go bomb na phone, see mommy na ha. The one about it.
Okay, the children reject the no like here.
Yes, no like their body, yes.
Magagini could you reject her?
And take it, and I get my life on a campoy. Oh no, I've got me on WhatsApp on a campoy.
Okay, because
the girl listen.
Okay, because actually, man, no man joy Juju because yeah, because because
I'm from WhatsApp now.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys, be kind with your words there. Onya ho dere na mother ga here. You didn't look, I couldn't catch you because of message, but also stop
mute
it.
Mute on anybody
threatening. But no say man message na amapo.
Because I block I just mute her because
I will mute you, so you better be careful, please. Don't write that kind of a thing here, man.
Mmadụ bịara ebe a na-akọ ha own side of the story. Unu aka mụrụ da na-ege. Unu anọrọ ogo na
onye ọbụla kwuru any word that is not okay by na-asị na mmadụ ga-anwụ na-eri
ndị niile kọgara rubbish anọkwa mgbe ihe a mere just for them to calm down and listen to the woman and they die rubbish.
On each case people tell on social media. And when they carry wrong and right narrative just to destroy a mad. The only time he get Jimatan Kewe Jokuki, me, you're a mini, 1 minute, and you take your time to evaluate yourself. But anytime you make up your mind and keep judging one side, until you learn how to open your mind to put one or two together. You may not like about that wrong teaching. You may bottle or won't bash and a matu many leave the wrong teaching aside and focus on all Aki Hajiri make or who ko Shirime. Ian Emendebani, Haheti Hanage, when you prove Joku. Haheti Hanage, or when you no Wawe Joku. And I like people open their mind when they want to hear something. Give them a hand on one particular thing. I had for them to even actually is Urochi, Bogin is Urochi. I'm a Panizu, the high one is Urochi. Because you know what I'm immune to now.
Yeah, what I'm saying here, I see him get delay here, but don't cause. There's a causes that I don't like here. Please don't do. Maybe it's a mother guy. After the guy, how will you feel? Don't do that, please.
How them care about Uno na Pokumwa finger, a Kuno na Omapo, or Una Hapome. All of us must touch it that one day, one way or another, whether you like it or not. unless you were long, make you know, because as far as you know, or somebody now, one day you go enter there. You don't know. So I will give my he cancel your social media, enter inside. Because of manga, everybody go enter.
So you don't worry. So until I'm about the lady now.
You know you go.
Other connect. Mana we make kwa genom bia. Uju Odenigbo. Odenigbo. Apapa go ma fa ho fuma. Dibo Odenigbo Imo State. Odenigbo Imo State. We had at the back of Crunches in Enugu State. All family Amama. Odenigbo is a family Amama in Enugu State. So the girl wages the honey accept to Makadi land. The girl went on the phone, say, Mommy, but I don't really that boy you could play with so cool. See, I give me the.
Give her, but that has convict here, my opinion. How dare you? Come on, get the fuck out of you, sure again, man. Come on, get her. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Come on, Shinga for. Come on, really.
So, the girl, wherever more now, where honey accept, my father here accept to go Makadi land. The year honey cook it out, and the boys are no, we case with them. Until your case, I say yes. And the boys are we case with them. Some of them are the boy now. Apart from that, this girl boy, they're in my house. They are all almost the mamma was not the boys no we case with me. Okay. We send the hello, the girl, the chineme message. Say, now your man is no we case with me. No problem. My mama case with me. Na me chokwa the case. So Chika, I want to go see the Chika. If you know chat money and baby and say okay, I dare my house. Or say how dare you talk about my man? This that. Can one know you memo can make one cause. See no problem, I dare my house. And Togi, man, I only want to enjoy what I'm Togi. Ima, Nkaiji wolo mado. Ebe February. Ebe that April, May. The notice here to the girl see me. Mama, would ma gaba go na the morning. See na this girl will one day. You know, obup them ego sim Chika the chat. Chiki was the forward me until you get that because I nearly off back phone. You see, okay, you my account number. What the girl see I send you go to my account number. Or say me what for? You see, send me your account number. Chika forward to go the voice note. Or say me anything you want to give me, go and give it to less privilege. So, Mbakwa Yankete. Until obviously all in my house. Hana Joski, Settle Makadiana, Enugu State with Joski barrister. Joski, where na any case no way case with me. Man, case the boy with me. Mamma, the boy. Apart from that, get it in my house. I'll go alone. I call them not anybody I've been in my house. I'm a so after 2 weeks, we just polish home Brazil. I just settle Chahana just did you settle Chazi. I'm one day in my house. I said somebody come out. My life is jelly. But then one guy called him out. My mom was scammer. And you was scam more in your wine. Can. And told you tell me ya from. Behold, that potam. I don't know this guy. I don't know these players. And you go where scam in your wine. Which you go where menka. No matter go in your wine. Before matter more. Na enyi nwaanyị jikwa wee mee nke a kọwa ya kọrọ aka oyiru nne ya kọrọ the videos juru na social media ya kọrọ hiru nne so mụ nwa wee pụtakwa wee dibọ nkọọ ya bịa taba my own life ndị mmadụ ju ngwa people ihe a nkọrọ gị now otu ndị nọ na life ndị adị maka na ihe a nkọrọ ntụ oge echi wee nkọkwala ebe a that day na my live stream wee kọchaa ya si the girl okay mekwa video si the girl okay bịa ka anyị setụrụ chat the girl or block and told you make me screenshot trying to send the girl block all my 3 lines. After that guy come out on social media, try I can meet or block them everywhere.
The girl block
even till now. I'm told you don't worry, I'm coming. So a block the time on now. So you want me go do when I'm Jamaica enter a police station because of you working and come. I am na my house one day, one Tuesday morning. I call na gate him. Nje na gate him. Obro no one woman na gate him. Mwejo the woman ko onye. The woman say mo no na cho unu. No where na mo will house to rent in my house. Say I know, no any house to rent in a baby. Or some open gate, and I say I will not open gate, and Mamma will you. Or some open gate, and I will not open gate. Mamma will any house to rent here. Or some okay, or poor, only 10 seconds, bing, negating. Enjoy her can the house, I say not our police. Wishing a window, when ya door gate, when ya. In for play well, gold white with trouser jean, and 2 men on an acokia, no uniform. Come follow. You say okay. Now I am a big now from anybody on a uniform. When the police say ben lady complain. My phone, I was okay, Nana Abia. Before you know it, I'm going to have a land there. I need a wage station. Because the baby go by old complaint there. Defamation of character. You wage the boy, see the boy. Now maybe we'll go petition already with him at their station. Any evidence didn't drop which are there. My record, my type. Always a call. So police Yangwa Juwebia is a different station Kahas Webia. All the each and my own state. It's just my own the main headquarters. So police Yangwa Juwebia is another zone Webia. So I lose a bar, I got assume okay, but when I those another zone where I'm Mujizia bar JD statement. About no you go there report or there. Maybe I want to hear the statement for petition already and to get back and give us a statement. They did not release me. Hajidem Eba. I'm telling you. The police Eba in the statement. Hajidem Salamaya. I say lawyer Beko Berum or Simbanai Beron Namon day. I was in there. But yeah, I'm on Tuesday, but one is day morning. You see Enugu State CID. Where there. Say na the matter. Na the boy me pego the matter na state CID. Na man set Rosia na station eba ya wabia. Hawa be luzie the boy. Maka hajizi mewe call e be the boy. I need na we jebe Enugu State and choge. You know Enugu State eva. I see na ya settle. Na the money ego na ye wote. Like I said, I go before. Ego ne my husband di kuloge wote. Ngwa. Keso tana ku iya ka finalize there. Kwete. Uta kesi we kwe ekwete. Even a day na myself sign no, di mo sign no. I told you, behold, after Kaimecha, ima akpọrọ m there, I loom there on Wednesday. Never Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, the IPO for my husband, Sangwa busy on Tuesday. Obia Bolom. Until that Tuesday morning, have your optim straight to court. Can now what how well anything. Nothing. I said I'm not major court or even no phone now. I cannot even to call my husband has seized my 2 phones that I cannot even make a call. So Haburum Namoto Sinanaja court straight that no court can you see I didn't know post Dimuya my husband knows. I say I had to put the straight to court, a lawyer bar. Because my husband had gone away and I'm major court. One on many lawyer there. But there is no lawyer to defend me. Check first send there again. Check there. Check your WhatsApp the first evidences and the charges. So until you look on my court, no lawyer. I want to do as the judge said I'm only 2. Another people. Can we nature my husband problem? I was there nature my husband there's a with lawyer. Until you behold, I can come quick one in no here because the end you papayana. Emanas na all banket and na only the boy you so be. Until you will be the charges all there. Ema behold, elum na court, I want them na court. Obolo ifon ni kuna social media up on na court. A woman another thing na court. I forward or you can read it out there. A woman court, one thing na court. Behold, you never expect call ihe nu ego dị gị alụsị na onye m mmemme respect ka ekwuo this thing ihe izi agụrụ ebe ahụ na m gburu mmadụ wayo n'Enugu steeti 2023 yes ihe afọ ya dị I don't know anything about 2023 na m ugolo na 46 million ihe afọ ya dị na m si na play well ama ntụba nwaanyị na-eme homo which I never say so ihe awụ charges ndị anyị m
ahụrụ m ya
ala gbaa m ịchọ m ya fọ m ntọọnụ na-edibo ya anya be I was like
Abatale, all these charges na enwere onye igwuru wayo n'Enugu State
for where
the 40 something million of ha tiri nga how come
nothing like that mama nothing like that mama.
So now what about the 17 million national eji nga where are the charges?
He's not there now. I would even now one again.
Because he is and there is no charge that related to 17 million.
Yes. I will charges age them.
Okay,
so why go the charges each day from? I was like, Jesus Christ, what is going on? No age wage them because I'm a man expect car. I go see and go now. Guilty or no guilty? Say no guilty.
But hold on, $17,000 when you convert it away go
20-something million.
Maybe all the 20-something million they are referring to.
Yeah, I say 46. You know about 46. Check it out for them.
That come now, Wagner. One is to name when you grew 20-something, when you grew 46.
Hey.
That means now, in 46 here now, I converted the $17,000. Now you have 46. So you grew That's what I'm trying to find out. Okay, maybe go ahead. Yeah.
Maybe no, yeah.
Okay.
So even that we charges are go the next thing I say I'm on bail. Then on bail. Until go talk and see what on prison. Go talk and see what on prison. I know you book that prison. Them I know you witness. Now you keep on you witness about the IPO. The police man no arrest. Young witness. Young with the witness. Only also witness. No, I don't know the man. Arrest.
Okay, but let me tell you how it works. IPO always a witness. Do you know that?
Okay.
Yes, IPO. Why they are witness because they are the one that investigated the case. They are part of the witness. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, just
witness.
Yeah, also he actually made like that because so cool that he or she has investigated it. This is true. You understand what I mean? Yeah.
Okay. So until God go out, I can see what women prison. But God may have it. Chineke mere mamara nweta lawyer. Oga file kwa okum. Mecha kwa bro there itself na things age kwa we remember there is no evidence to back it up.
Oh, there was the evidence.
There is no evidence now. Nothing like that. And until you want to know, not all those things. Nothing like that. This land of nothing like that now. We are drawn on now.
Okay, go ahead.
Like when you ask Namos now homo, we differ hard drawn on. Or when them maybe don't boy homo, we differ hard drawn. So God may have it in Pota. And told you the main thing you will on this your platform now. And since you're in Pota, and I'm trying out to listen a mellow. Us nego no for that smoke I am willing more about that demand can here now to pay Chinemere that money. I'm not young Kagi, young many you okay. Money you okay mel anything. Money I'm okay. Yes. A bob you may not no me was not or come for you where I'm ready. So you be by now, and I bought the girl. Apoya na phone or they pick. The next thing or block all my lines, even aging my new line, boy na phone or block my husband boy or block for over 1 week now. My husband now this girl now drop a voice note. The girl know the pick. I'll go forward with those voice notes. She know the pick. She know the answer. But when you mad jogo, aging go while you block me. When I call you, you block me. But age can go.
No, but do you know why she does not want to reach to you? Because the thing, no believe you know, but go court. So communicating with her direct, she may feel threatened. You want to go? Or she may feel like...
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay,
so
okay.
I will advise you, just in a plain ground. I will advise you, your lawyer. Your lawyer, they reach out to the IPO on the case. You should okay, my clients want to pay the money, the $17,000. Or should for free. You want to go? So how I will then your lawyer will reach out to her own lawyer. Then they will see how they can finalize. But you and your husband calling her, she will feel like something is not acting up. So I'm on every right to block you guys. Like, okay, I don't want to reach out to you guys. If you have any cause to settle, I have a lawyer, you have a lawyer. Let you guys come together and find a way you pay me my money.
I don't know any lawyer, Shia. I don't know any of our lawyer. Okay, Ujunwa, the girl let's see Yana Neba. Bogotie.
Okay.
Check when Yana for just yeah, for just
come put to somebody.
Awesome, I'm there.
Because
just send the alien.
We're in Kim. We're my own.
Thank you, Devin. Thank you. Okay, I will just close.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Just welcome.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening. You're welcome.
You are welcome. And to another thing, this boy, I can even give you evidences. Here, that boy in Eko, that she's planning something big for me. Even if you ever, even if you ever know ya boom, the video no that no ya boom. Now, act on the voice note. I'll forward it to you. So here's the way I feel. One in one half say.
Am I in Abadale? Am I in
Hold on.
Okay, go ahead.
Ihe na ụwa niile maka ndị ha na-akwụ ụgwọ na-akọ kama na mụma ihe a nkọrọ gị ihe bụ ihe mere eme etinyere m etinye ewepụrụ m ewepụ ngwa bịa with your lawyer bịa
Mkpụtụ okwu ka m pụọ n'onwe nne m.
Hold on, ọchacha kọl biko Justin because na ịma na ihe a na-agwụ nwa onye lesi ya na ya nwa onye nwe dia
Arrival of the
Sorry, because can I proceed, my
I'm taking because I just onye awonye.
Just because you want to what about how the land, the made the land because.
Oh, ya nwa onye see the two lands.
I met Abekute Mommy about that see an M1 though I used to buy land go see a earlier some. So I met her, told her because I'm a mere for a while. Me say I'm running children and when the choice how much or you go. Or sim okay no go some people. So me reach back to me. Sim no when we and why and they very close. We got three go the property for the children.
Okay.
She probably that's the first one. You see no problem. Or sim care board and see an name or draw the girl see an old board name. So, about you back, some okay, no need to get me three-way calls. A three-way call. The girl where drum simna. Never had they'll buy and build and see I'm no go buy and build. No go ya or roy hair bang or sim okay, no problem. No way I go near Golia and see okay. So why draw? I'm trying to just brief the whole thing and see okay, no problem. Yana mommy kuchezie or send their mommy go mommy send the alum. That was the first transaction we did.
Yeah, mommy.
Mommy Abada.
Okay, Abada, okay.
So the second one, I reached out to Mommy Abada. They said I'm another one chokwalile again. Or some okay, call all people. Or me check them some bana I need to cause or because you opportunity I go to tell you about no number somebody all man, no DJ new. You see okay, no problem. The girl, I made three-way calls or drum, same Nanya had lifted and see her. Or just some questions, such as, or some name a lift and see her name a lift. Man, not choke a mayor lift, and I gave me will a lift, and I'm not around them. Then gave me an already here, me mother for now, maybe a lift. Or some okay, no problem. Never when I quit, and I gave Melia, no problem. So I settled all that one. Then after some time, I'll reach out to me, so not cheer for the place. It's not cheer sending money for the place, and see okay, and see and get reach them. Then fast forward to Bobata, Nigeria, no, they're not, but I go on and came mommy about a bomb. Some Nanyano, na the land, na try fear. And see okay, now so bad, they're not going to have any good and get send them money.
Or 2
But along the yes, two.
Okay.
So, man, along the line, or much as here, sim that now. Okay, yana the guy. The guy, I ain't a kucha 3-way cause Mua, Yawana Bada. The match the guy was yam now for see that now. Nani di Kandila can be a go see her, the land. See her now, near me when I schedule the tide, Mama. Go see, when she go happy the quackona or Diro Genuine. See a ballon flight and Bata in Nugu. So, ballon flight in Batazia Nugu. Manogam for the lady sim no Dirozi interested na the land ni we gear. You have to go see how was in a see no Jigo land confirm or Simumba no Jebe land. See an the genuine na give land confirm. No na if no the genuine. You have to go that no where anything and is zonia. So I'm not saying no choros the Ofuka follow can I the whole lifted. Or so no choros the gentleman and the other ones not just the gear back. And see okay, near Gaba Bonage, a leaden dial. Initially, asked me okay now. Nange raise Diego Canyon. Mechesiana, those come raise Diego Canoga, it take a long time. Nage Lealizidiana. So I met I meeting with the lawyer, her lawyer, and my lawyer. I said the Hebebuna agreement was that Nahage just go see my lawyer at the place. I go see my lawyer at the place. I Lealizia and yet she goya. That was how we sorted everything out.
Now,
so along the line, now
power tap on
okay. Never buna nessa to Lugondiana, no when the case your bonadi, you got to go come up here, but I necessary was a mumba that na I'm coming, or some mumba that na anyway, no elku with me that I should. I'm coming. Okay, or say na and with me. No. No, yana abata weloku. No, bro, mo abi yenye legani na abata ke yenye.
Oh, the guy na Obuchina mere na Agwagi called the lady na Agwagi. Called the guy na.
Two of them.
Okay.
Two of them. They said they don't have any issue with me. That they don't even know me because they didn't do business with me. That I should just go. So I left. That was how.
Galanto get your test to Ghana. They go Nilana. Go Nilana. Get your first land and the second land. And a place will call Goya with the TC send the pepper. Only go Nilane. Because him and a narrative, honey, narrative, honey,
but don't worry, I have put my joy. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, yeah, put your what they when it call, what they can win up where. What I put my joy questions. Share. Ego like Azro de Allah in total. And they go like. Kahana discuss from what ya or land before you agree to pay. The water go? So all the connects work on your brother, but continue.
So I told you only years on Niku now. And like you said, it's the main will any right, boy, and
yes, because someone don't have to go to court. Any call on a choreograph file petition against you, another one, and the judge will take in that you are the Nahi Megana. No, you all Borogi, that way you kunanya judge. Because number one, you want a lawyer.
Moderators can a bugote mad.
Happy. Now, listen. In will you reach out direct, Magima Digi, they can file restriction order. And now, I don't know what is their mind, but all the motishi uputeyana ngoku Hebrew obi. So the main reason ija ogayana owu kiigba kisha for you work or wogene. What are you trying to reach out to them?
Yeah, zena kanye go yo ifen na oro ya.
Oh yeah, lotana ichi.
Mba na okay, onwe na natal Nigeria for.
Okay. Okay, promise the provision. Kinye ya ha only. Ina name neku. Abada the man.
I think all home.
Good evening, my Shaylas, everybody in the box. Good evening. Good evening, the host.
How are you?
Good evening. I'm good. I'm good.
Freda, how are you? Welcome.
I'm great. Thank you so much. Oh, no, your boy, in a ligo now. You can stop.
Freda, don't do that here. Freda, don't do that here. Okay, I remember when. Okay, it's a behind on there pushing the narrative of Onyoshinwa. I think I spread that share. I'm a friend that life because platform here about girls children.
No.
Life discuss Onyoshin. And here could have block up. Don't do that here. They want to hear about
No.
Come and express yourself. Don't do that
No, hold on. So sorry about that. If somebody wants to correct me, let one person correct me, please. I'm not a baby that you should talk to me that way.
If you have a problem,
The host have said it,
I
and I've heard it. I have heard it. Don't speak to me that way, please. I have heard it. The host have corrected.
Can the moderator, what is wrong with this moderator topic?
I told Gechi, I guess this is why Abada left this chat. Because Abada will never be on the same box with a Freda. It's not possible.
I said it now.
Who is
sitting my daughter happier?
Who is sitting here?
Abada will never be here with a Freda.
Okay.
I want to say something, please. Mommy immigration, a minute, please.
Hold on.
Oh, Chineke.
Just give me a minute. Okay. Somebody came here for you. You should attend to only her. I want opposition. No. Okay.
Still bringing her up.
That moderator, don't do this. Kai went one room here. Yotago. Kai men can the other.
The comment section.
Finish your note and then you go to the union call, so you have to put your story.
I'm sorry. You know what? I'm sorry. What I did on my daughter page, I may remove everybody in the moderator. I will do it again. I just see all these things become. I will remove it. Because I will remove everyone. It's okay, I can handle moderator. No big deal. I will do that.
It's not nice now.
Chika, can you hear me? Chika, can you hear me?
Yes, let me share the live stream to her now.
Please, actually, can you make Mommy Madamata that's now okay, Chama Hoyana, a feather with that issue?
No, I will explain. You don't have any problem.
Imana told Gacha when home here.
About this whole,
relax. The one thing I want to say initially, but we're trying to resolve a case here where Anna accused Madu of fraud and some other things. Onya Huwe Bia Kokowa her own side of the story. If you have a question to ask her or have something to say, insulting them, calling them names. How long can they keep in a behavior? How long can they keep in a behavior like touts?
People, can you share the live to her?
I've already shared the live. I just shared the live.
Be kind.
Let me call her on phone. 1 minute, please. She will not
call
come
her,
back.
please. Explain the situation to her.
And so we're going to this be kind. You could bring her up.
Person, can you be kind? They want to you. Can you have
Ramsey, may have what I
Mommy, you get everybody. Ramsey, can you have that email here?
Anyway, I think she has some details as well.
Okay.
There's also an inside.
Biko no. Actually, turn this thing to saga. Oh, in the comment section today, they bring a friend.
Yes.
I don't think Shabago to here. This is not saga. There's time for everything. I don't know why Unaga was. There was a time for everything. Time to discuss like
from both sides before
saga. Everybody, I need to know about saga now, but every time about saga. Oh, every time, I want to name in a comment section. I want to up here now. I'm not up here. Comment section, onye na-egbu nwere right. Ihe awụ onye a enwebeghị e declare onye a guilty. Onye adịghị even court declare onye a guilty. Una egbu show down there. Now wow, Chini amayo.
Ihe m chọgodoro ikwu ọwụgodo na declare ihe mmadụ guilty. Enweghị ha na the right of an accused person. You can't deprive that from that person.
Exactly.
Hearing and giving that person an opportunity to be able to speak. The author go, only reason the person you wear bia. Give one card abia before the person abia. Then the person bia say bia wazi. All the code handle the case na my platform. Everybody choro ibia no say no. The visitor that came, I call that visitor with respect. Then give one on that same person. I can give that same respect. You author go, please. Everybody should understand the reason why we are like trying to make it calm.
There is something Manaria said here initially before the
saga. I got bone on Kente. You used to get 5K here, but
No, I couldn't get her. I think her phone went off. So what I was trying to say is Manaria said something at the beginning of this live stream. She said, Oburokwa that's now on our support to this person, but she would have to give her the opportunity to air her own view. Which that thing made a lot of sense to me. And I believe every single soul in this box, Oburomadine, na support Winya, but they all stayed calm to hear from this person also. Because, see, onye a na-ekwu enyi dịkwa ka onye a na-egbu egbu kwuo obi ya so Obiago ebe a kịta, she said a whole lot of things ndị bata n'okwu before ma ndị bata ọfụ na anụrụ ya okwu. I don't know if I have the right to summarize that part of the $17,000. Do I have the right to speak on that?
If you have first-hand information, then go ahead.
I'm only going to say exactly what Abada said here. I'm going to repeat it for those people just kabata because I'm afraid a lot of questions. Even I see give them like $17,000 down. Neye mereba Abada say na fa na aru no ya na dia na aru. They already have a plan to execute a particular building in Otago. So ona akọwatali ya nwa which is Chinemere go fa na ato na akọwatali ya na asi amereba like as friends with the course. So
okay, because even my car, the lift I'm doing, they're gonna cut me tomorrow. Yeah, they're gonna take you up. And can I tell you something? The car is with me. One problem to another every day. No.
Go mute yourself. Mute yourself.
I cannot be responsible to take anything.
So as I was saying, sorry please. So the girl na akọwatali aka nne na nwa si akọwa nne no ko no na and sort of something like that. The girl will say okay, no ya like it ka expand that particular building. Ka ya nwekwa her own place in the sense that like her own room, how she wants it to be. So we all her engineer. Was it the engineer? They reconstructed the whole thing. That was where that money siwe bata. Yawabu Chinemene send that money, send there 2 million, sometimes you send there 3. Obro know if you want one, can send the other. No, Obro send the 17,000 once, or send there 2 million, or send there some amount of money, which she has sent all the evidence to Antioge. She has it there with her. She was also confirming everything while she was talking. So that was what the $17,000 come about. It's not like a money given. She was the one that voluntarily decided to invest in that building. I don't know if you understand. Now she's no longer interested in the investment. Ya brozi aga bia potabazi si na ozupụrụ mmadụ. Rather, I asked him, achọrọzi m dey involved in this building. Oya, give me back my money. So that is just it. If you have any other thing to say, you can say. Thank you so much.
Chika, oh.
Yes, dear. Can I hear you, please?
Ndewo nne m.
Daalụ nwanne mmadụ. Good evening.
Okay. But ihe I kwuru na at first the m nọrọ from Abada no mgbe Abada kwuru na
biko eji m Chineke rie everyone Abada gbagote ihe again biko onye ọla nọ na mint. Nobody should bring a Freda can come after Abada shi ya pụọ, because it seems like both of them cannot be in the same bus. So that Abada kwucha ke ya, Freda nwere every right to come and interject ọkwabo shiri mee. Ọ ga-adị mma ka ha abụọ gbagote here na noise ebido nwunye ga-anụ ihe ibe ya na-ekwu. It's not white now. That means anyị anaghị ebe ibe. We are here to fight. Biko let us make it very matured enough. Biko ti onye ọla ti onwe ya na mute. Biko Tigo onwe gị na mute Cynthia biko. Abada, go on. Sorry about the whole first problem, biko. Biko, so now your main focus now will each of for this money, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you are ready to pay the $17,000.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So now Abada should be ready to pay this money. And they'll make a lot of effort to reach out to pay this money. So now, but I thank you. Now you're willing to pay the money. Can people happy each other this money? So
no. You go chill because here you oh man, everybody not chopper. No was free. No problem. But I'm willing. Yes.
Okay. Now she has made. So she has made up her mind to pay this money. I think that is the bone of contention here now. Now, Bikono, she wants to pay the money by all costs. Put the money. So, Biko, anywhere you guys can reach out to Chinemere, or but I will give you my own advice. My lawyer go reach out to the party. That means you guys are making effort to pay the money. And that's what people want to hear. So now you can reach out to your lawyer. Your lawyer reach out to them, they will know how to reach, because the web lawyer get something that comes from court or draft, send the file to Chinemere. Chinemere will not acknowledge it. So like that, the best thing for Chinemere to do, find a way to pay this money. But Chinemere will delay the right. So Chinemere, wherever you are, you may be watching my program, because some people are sharing here. Biko Nemo, and he is somebody like Onya Chohun Sobu. No, whatever may be the case, I don't want to know. But that Emekiala up her mind to pay this money. Please allow her to pay this money, so there will be peace. Pay this money. You don't need any further issue. Go up for this money. Now, but then I want one question I'm sorry about this land. This $17,000. Or where part a bank issue for the Ugodia?
No. Check any seat in forward the day. You have noticed for that to put that girl or one.
No, that's what I'm saying. If forward the room is such a manner, the 17 or she from the this 17,000 or she part of the money easily for Ugodia. Okay. Now the 5 million up about there. The
girl the everything now, but the girl can that girl go now.
So
the girl are going to the girl money back.
That is what I'm saying, that the money is still pending.
With the girl now.
With the girl, that's what I'm saying.
But the girl you go pepper and the girl document those lands now.
Abada. Listen to me so you'll understand where I'm coming from, because this thing can be too, very emotional stuff. But I want you to calm down. This girl, and she is the one that waiting to reserve the land and give them the money.
Ndị ka ji akwụkwọ ana wụ ha nwa play wills na Chinemere ji akwụkwọ ana. Ha ka ji akwụkwọ ana as I'm talking to you now. Those land papers can on their care. Mana when ha na that girl meet, the girl gwa ha ebe ọ bụ na ha like ya. Us no like or the girl see okay yes, so enyezi ya ka ya nyezie ego back. Meanwhile, ha ka jikwa paper dị ana.
That means the land property is already settled.
The properties, the papers of those lands.
Okay, now it's making sense. People now water. That's it. The 17,000 is not included in the land. That means the land.
No.
You see, because people are not understanding the full details. That is why I wanted to break it down. So even the layman will understand. Because the narrative they created in social media is different thing.
Antoge, but no problem.
That's why I want you to understand. So that these are now Chinemere Hakajia. Haji document.
Haji the document.
Yes. The money, but Hakaji the document. So the girl they had device. Don't know now choya. The land.
Yes, all the girl over. I know go to but no
that is what I'm saying. Now that one is well understood and cleared. The only thing that you want to resolve for now would be $17,000, which you have been making all efforts. The thing. So people will understand because narrative no against Ulahala, go ala, No. I just wanted to know how deep the whole thing is. So the reasons I asked you questions. So Anna people are now. Please can you meet that person? Because me to the person. That person will be coming to you cannot listen just to me to Romeo. If you cannot make a constructive statement, that means you're not welcome to be here. Because check the
person username here will say the truth. Say the truth.
Me to Romeo because Keba is very well mannered. Now, Abada, the land no Abadanaka, or no Chinemere, that one is already settled.
Also, we're afraid that for a show, no, Abada.
I'm afraid I'm everybody. It doesn't matter because now here Abada is caring to do now is to pay that 17,000, and she has been making efforts since this place important. So because Abada reach out to your lawyer. But lawyer, this is what we want to do. We want to make payment. And the lawyer will now reach out to them. They have what that is official. Thank God that he made an effort to reach out, all effort to know it. So he reaches out to them. A man that the next conduct that is coming, with the charge going to court.
For now,
okay, whatever may be the case, allow your lawyer to settle this about payment. I know why I'm telling you this. Okay, maybe all your effort to pay. So reach is it to your lawyer. It's in full, it's installmental.
Oh, boy, the girl obiara. No, I ain't na me I talk I na ko kai malo. Okay, no money na bo because so onwe na sim na mokpo enyi nwoke si adama akpo enyi nwoke mu
the guy
mba the guy wo
mba
no ma the guy wo so ya nwa mu na amiri ife
but my own suggestion chọrọ igburu onwe gị n'ihe I will kindly advise you arụ m ige ebiri ego ebiri ya wuru m nwere ihe ị ga-eme to get money. Take the money full way. Because he would the money in full. Whenever I have a magistrate, they already the money in full. George, my client is now ready to make the payment. Because
mana ina imana ihe ndị ha chaji m ọ bụla ọnụ okwu ego anyị ga anọ n'ụdị ya
forget going down the charges here. Anyị mana the main purpose the money.
Okay.
Iwataga enwezi any additional money ekwugezi ma nka ha ga George is okay respond judge lawyer can respond to this person. Iwatala that's $1,000. Make sure you have it in bulk. Then actually you know how it is evidence in can it they are where. Okay. That one. You know go? Okay. That's all I can tell you. Onne Jishike is a trying time. You know, I'm not here to support you, rather I'm here to support any other person, but I just want the viewer to listen to your own part of the story. That's all I'm saying. Okay, I hope everything is fine. Okay?
Let me see if go to the limits. Do you mind? Because I want to walk. Do you mind about that? Do you mind if I say something?
No problem. If you want to say something, you're not here all this one. No problem.
Here none of the thing it take care the petition and what a representative, right? Which is the
no petition. They did not send me any petition.
Representative, we made that complaint to police. And when representative, you made a complaint, right? When you gonna make the arrest, the police say prosecute and okay, quick man. No matter what it is, I ain't sure mad. All of us want more mad. What I go, mad. Everybody now are the joyful. People may be mad. People may be angry. People may not understand what is going on. And what I go. Move for the nanny when they will solve or because of the heat of the moment, people react differently. At this point in time, you can just seek any advice that will be very useful for you. Can we resolve what the thing before another sitting? Can happy in way and content of court. I won't know the person the number. I want a lawyer gay. Hana henye lawyer gay that each other I'm a contact, right? I'm a HR to be able to.
Social media and mind you, my mgbe abutere okwa na social media onwere ebe this girl obia putem say mo na mo ji ugo mo kwa yo nothing like that, you know there.
Okay.
I want play with anything. I will do nothing until after social media.
Okay. Odika, that's $17,000. What to 43 million. Okay, with the conversion was at
No, mommy, immigration, I think it's 24 million or thereabouts.
23 million. Something okay, okay. That's what the 17,000. Each 23 million for some naira on it. Okay.
Maybe see. That's why I cleared the land part. Maybe they are adding everything, including that land part. You want to go that? No, wait.
17 million. Let's go up with that.
Chere, mommy, the 40-something million. Maybe they are adding extra charges and other expenditures. So, but if that will bring that $17,000, by then it's
arguable. They can argue it.
That is what I'm trying to tell Abada and you. Now, Abada, whether that's all we go the whole social media.
Yes.
Whether that's all we go get bomb.
Yes.
Whether then we see any other expenditures. Now, it's arguable. Okay, yes, it's true. Yes, it's not. Yes, it's true. Yes, no. This is the one I'm responsible for. Now we can argue this. We can do this. You want to go? I got to ask a question. Okay. I will tell him, okay. But that's why I told her, where they are in bulk, then I says, okay. Oh, bakeshiri, okay. The way George Gashigi can okay, tell this amount. When are you ready? Yarumo in Bema go, now Rupami Emagi, now that's extra money that left. And I name now baggy. A George Gash, okay. Lekwa, Mbano, Kai Yarisi, Akunuga, look into this.
And other charges too. They will look into everything.
Look into everything. Why are you charging me this? There is no evidence on this. Why are you charging me this? There is no evidence on this. By then, we wish. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. So it's pretty simple. The thing is, oh Lord. Okay, man, I have to make that again.
It's okay. Manamba, even though one when they give my immigration, Monagana, Malonia, Monagana, meet the Manamba, you know, are fighting for you don't in but only but here in Yamano na.
Abada,
you are no you could live in no Ghana, Shialonia. I don't go now. I'm the bad. I'm age by your people. Because only men on social media know about when I'm a from A to Z, only enemy Mona Hamiko nothing. No, just out of conspiracy. Man, I have to go that they cannot pull, nobody can pull me down because I want to the I work for it. All my shit. And I'm not ready. I will do it till I'm nothing will stop my teaching, nothing will stop me. My teaching is my life. My teaching women they quick. Come on, I'm on you up on a color. You have no wish move up at that. Okay, serious. So far, I'm alone.
Okay, Wamoto. I've been in about almost 1 year marriage for a long time now, almost 4 years, right? Man, I get it. I'm talking about within Ogechi and TikTok, like in the circle line.
Okay.
And the Imakamana against the matter. And my involvement, Imakanshi support, okay, right? Okay. And I was the first person that came to you. We here a foreign can be there. Imona dema Madine respond to other people. Otam the keta, no matter the level, no, I listen to people. Young game may wouldn't kill the useful. They won't kill na mananaga the useful. At least I will pick something from what you told me. I came to you. Mbahani made that thing because when I gave for last when I get to marriage, we reconnected again. I want one of the person na be na live stream girl will support you. And I'm be na live stream you buge teme by chefola and I was a host too. Right? I would talk to the widows and tell them how to move on. And I supported you so you even gave me your phone number financially. You were happy. But now I'm not me here because we lost track. We met na Kechuku Meruja. When Uno Choreba Saga na Onya Choreba attack, you heard what I said. I was there and I said, please, can I just let someone soften the ground, right? Now, when I came to you, and with one spirit in way, and I see beyond. I want better to you. I'm here to you, Sydney. Nay, it will agora foreign. About that, I'm going to be there about I say, about what's going on. I see my body and say, okay, hold on. Somebody near them, don't go. Mama, don't put body. Leave her. She will not understand. She will not respond. Say her no. And I came to you. Give a good time. Masigi, what is going on? I hope you are not indulging in saga. You see, when you say again and say, Eshim na nke foreign kita na apota. Foreign will girl my girl. And it happens to be my girl now. And lay here name. If it's something we can resolve it, I will be happy to resolve it. That I've spoken to them and they have listened to me. Nothing is happening. And you wearing the avatar that I used to know, you wearing one way coming, right? Then when I gave Kuchim, it's okay. You know, and I left, right? And I left. After 2 days, everywhere I got. And I was like, what is happening? Okay, Mufuruna, Ijere na we went and gave one about that happened at a police station. I went and gave Ijere 200,000 not to be angry with you.
Maka ifo maka ihe njem ya bịa ebe a biko.
Ịma na ị na-ebu anya ebubo ka ị mara involvement a lot of people that you are the reason why a lot of people were not coming close.
Mommy, get that 200,000 in your reach. Back. She's a thief. She's a criminal. She's a scammer. She's a thief.
Mommy, baby.
That 200,000.
Ị ga-anata ya ahụ onye ọrụ ọjọbọ o ji n'olu onwe chere ga-anata ya ahụ mana ime natakwa ya
ahụ mama gị coming down. Ana m achọ ka abata at least oge ga-agwa gị so long mụ na ya matara ọ ma na whatever I told her ọwụ ụtọ esi aga na mma ụtọ esi dị na mma because I'm somebody that love to build. I don't love to destroy. Oge m fụrụ ya nye ya the 200 mbịa jee ebe foreign ka nje meet kwe foreign ka ọ hapụ isi ya na onye a na-ese okwu mama nye onye ego. This is one thing I love about foreign. Foreign is a very different species. Mama, I saw ejima gị na-eme birthday nyekwa ya 200,000 chọrọ gị nwa bịawa owu na imechiri live stream again because there is no how I will give to your twins and I will chọrọ gị nwa bịawa unu ebugotere na mmadụ ndị moderator unu ga-emekwa anashi anyị power nchọrọ gị nwa bịawazie ka m bịa nye gị your own 200,000 as a gift ya wụ na imechiri live stream again then mas okay na-achọ how to reach out to you ịgbachiri your inbox nwenye na-reach gị I send a message the thing bounce back mas okay I don't know. Not choosing my phone, even save your number. You know, for them, my iPhone, I'm not or feature for he got phone number. Got money when go so I was like, I'm going to reach out to you. The next thing about saga for giving your twins money. Before you know it, you don't know about I'm saying, what is going on? More your twins na phone. Say, settle with your twins, no matter what you do. And I have could be 80 miles. This is my nature. I don't care. I don't do social media stuff. I do things that progressive for me. Osimo came. We talk to her. See, I get on one day to go to social media. Go back home. Sort yourselves out. So what we are saying here is now Mali na yet to what they called listening ears. Are they very important? Ufonya na wonna more. What I go.
Thank you.
A lot of people on social media, they don't hate you. They just hate the stubbornness that you are not allowing people to reach out, to speak with you. If not, all this wouldn't have escalated this way. Okay? I didn't know when you're talking. If we look at type on a comment section here, now I say, I did a people number here. I yelled, number here. So calm down. When he maybe another amazing. I got when I do forget you are old till tomorrow. Okay?
Biko, can go to Biro,
please. 1 minute before I leave, please. I want to go down and attend to my baby.
Okay. Go ahead.
I want to say a very big thank you.
I want
to say a very big thank you to you for giving Mommy Abada this platform. And I want to say a very big thank you to everybody in this box for giving also the opportunity gained to her own side of the story. Mommy Abada, I want to also thank you so much for also reaching out and wanting to say your own side of the story. In conclusion, Bona, una no go ifoku. Do know why you let's spread the news una the rush of. None of us no do. So we cannot really come out to say nekwa or if I like I or no bikono. In the comment section, Junior Wayo. Kachineke gozi. Thank you.
Take care.
Antoge, thank you so much for this opportunity in Yarabata. I think why I suggested that she comes up here is because about an open platform for everybody to come and express themselves, speak up their mind, and a lot of things. And you know already about I am the saga here for now. What we're going for saga, we're going for saga. Just the way Abadago is on this live stream, Kucha her own, narrate her own story. And you also say something, you also want your admin to reach out to Chinemere, whose username is unstoppable. If she is also willing to come to also say the same thing, if she wants to do that.
She may not come, but it doesn't matter. If she likes, she
I'm just saying, but Imago, when this issue were going on, the first thing I said, there is no way everybody geji listening out to Ofu. And the guy had to kick Kunyozo. And then you go follow a baby. You understand? And it doesn't work. Race to Wonyoshi, race to Zuroshi. Just like what you said here today concerning this oracle matter with this. You see, until oracle comes here, you will not conclude this matter. Which I also strongly believe, on that. The truth of the matter, Abuna, this woman, Abada, Amamonyo, she's from Anambra State, from Igbo State. And I will be very honest with you, during the time I involved myself on this saga, the reason why I had issue with majority of them was because as no one batana that live stream, my attention in the focus on ijele. That's my and I made a statement that I have nothing to do with this woman. Until what I want with this woman, it wasn't really my interest. I didn't, I went in interest about, over her, about some went business with her. That was the first day the young lady on God blocked me from her page. And Freda also blocked me on her page. And that was how I became enemies with this individuals in Namande How.
Boss, my battery is 12%. So.
Oh, you can go, mommy. You can go if you want to go, no problem. So now.
Wait, Abada, before you leave, Abada, please, in advice, yes. Please, it's important to approach it like that.
Yes.
Reaching out personally to Chinemerem will look like invasion of privacy. Don't. Because go through your lawyer. Even if you don't have a lawyer, or again when a lawyer represents but only when a lawyer represents you can also reach out to a new lawyer just to mediate, just to go through your lawyer. No, it's very important. Don't reach out to her privately again. Or happy may we get accused of something else. And thank you for coming here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate the fact that you gave us this time. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, Antogechi.
Antoge, thank you very much, Antoge. God bless you.
You too. Thank you.
Antogechi, believe me that during the time, Abada.
Then every other person which was really better. You can now come in. Afraid that you can now come in here now.
But Achomo Madi Bia me interrupt because Achomo Basageva. I didn't say I won't say
so why are you running?
No, I don't want it because I don't have strength for that. I won't have Alia. Actually,
the millionaire.
You want to go? I know we just got about saga now. I'm now talking, like a gentleman now,
You cannot bring anybody who wants to give their own opinion regarding about this case, but that's
exactly.
like a movie,
So